Dumelang Samurai and Tozani Khanyani say greetings over the diaspora to those that don't speak the language that we speak. Welcome back to another episode with Mkulum Lava. Everybody in all your groups, I'll be behind the scenes. So those are good.
Tuzili.
Siyabonga mkhulu for this kind sakho. Ngiyamupatreka. He was here to do other things. Mina sengiyamupatreka ke. Bese uyakani koshi?
Me.
Hey big. Good evening. But I like what you said Izolo. Ms. Ringa knows Buddha about how everything starts from your mind. Yeah, marangazi sitonsele with the formative years besikhuluma leyo today with the ages of 1 to 7, how important are those ages? Of course.
Ngoba siphekeka lapha. Yeah. Nama this Roman guy whether Pope or the cathedral Maria tshela ukuthi umntwana nginekezena na 7 years from age of 1 to 7 years ngizomenza ukuthi abe into submissive for the rest of impilo yakhe yonke ngoba submissive to the system. Yeah, and so le minyaka isasi wrong hayi sase pure. Understand, accept yonke into, absorb yonke into. That's why basicala from grade R. And into ithole from between lo mnyaka le 1 to 7 mayingene ku iba njalo like singenza example manokwenza example umuntu mhlambe uthola umuntu uzonda in the experience ebed ayithola ana 5 or 6 ngazi this guy masiyilandele mokutholakala lo muntu wayengafuni izulu like this guy ishadile ine madam umama manama ngicela abantwana ezulu hayi ngeke singayo avoid hayi man next month hey man ngicela abantwana abazulu hayi avoid yathi nama avoid asikhuma kakhulu ngathi sister after some time mama kunini uqoqela isizulu wangafuni isizulu njani no igcina le nipho ke makutshela nje ukuthi angifuni izulu manini ngagcine sekube impilo enkulu kuliwa mara thema sokulandelela sokubheka ukawu kahle yena wathi na 5 between the age of 1 and 7 and 5 6 wayezu walunywa inyosi ngathi inyosi yahlala kwikhene ko drink wayiphuza yamluma kabuhlungu. That pain was so painful and so le phone yaba stored engqondweni ukuthi zoo pain and so lo muntu lo sakamdala ushadile akakho aware ukuthi uzonda izoo ngenxa ye-experience ayithola na 5. Like mina I for one understand yabona mangabe time like guide discipline between age of 1 and 7 uzolisaba totot noma sungadate.
So bayothi igojo esasencane it's those ages. Yeah,
understand. And so kulathi nasiba soft khona and uba soft siyamlimaza umntwana mele ube hard akusuba hard ukuthi yamlwisa yamkhulisa yabhadi ukuthi ugaya iva ngomhlaba awukho soft umhlaba awukho soft and especially for thina bodaki umhlaba awukho soft no sasekuningi kumele kwenziwe so umntwana mele aziva enivalula zingangiphi
ngoba sababambe ngesicima wena
abangibamba isicima isicima esibamba kayiwana hayi kaningi ngoba ngithi umntwana nokuthi pain is not an enemy mehlathi ikhumbula le pain is our friend here to help us. Pain is necessary. That's why alchemists do not hate pain, they study pain. More pain is there to teach you. More experience pain. Hlaphansi study le pain ukuthi ze kanjani ungayikwati umuntu ukwatisile. That's why alchemists awunasidingo soba ne-hate. Awunasidingo soba ne-hate. Anything is about you study kuphela. And so nomuntu okumoshile awumhate, you just study and uma study shilo yamanje stawuthesa nomuntu okudistance noma study shilo yamazi so khona ukubona omunye angakayenzi lento ngoba wastudisha lo yana ngoba ustudy yena ngeke kumazi umuntu angistudisha ngeke kusazi simo studisha eniphini ehlangana nayo is there to study bathi iphini iza kayithu iphini lethwa universe whereby uhedwa umuntu uhedwa impilo uhedwa whatever iphini and leyo phini i-arrow ehlaba kayi-1 mari RS2 sokuwosihlabayo ulokhu icabanga lokhu ihate lokhu ikwatela so and leyo icabanga phela yazi ipheni ma contact hate mhlawumbe umncamo lokhu icabanga ipheni iba ngathi yenzeka manje yazi mangabe noma yini ebuhlungu ingenzeka moyicabanga kuba ngathi enzeka manje ngiphinde leyo ibuya manje
sure
ukuyizama ucabanga nje mokucabanga iphini yenzeka mhlawumbe una 18 leyo feeling ephini uyifila manje ukuthi uyabo ukuthi iphini lokhu ekushaya hayi ubambelele kuwo manje into ebalile ukuthi you study it uma study it you divert the energy yokuthi ibe buhlungu manje divert it to study ngoba energy when you divert energy cannot be destroyed, energy cannot be created, can be transformed from one form to another form. Manje kule form yokuthi yakushaya lokhu ucabanga umuntu yamzonda no mama once uqala ustudy you learn ustadisha kanjani ustadisha ukuthi ngibe wrong ukuthi kwenzeke so understand ukuthi kwenzeke lento kufike kanjani uyastadisha uyabheka ukuthi kufike kanjani umuntu azayenzela into enzile ofike kanjani mina ngizifike ngiyenzela into lena engifakile inkingani uzostudy izobona and uzoba aware ukuthi next time how to avoid such
thokoza
hence buya ifakazela yona le ukuthi age 1 to 7 ibalekile for program umuntu and so umntana wakho uthi umgayi order
sure
and
so baba khazanga kushaya ngesicimo razaka kushaya futhi
awongishaya hayi ngisho phela bothemba singathi ipain hands ngisho ukuthi ipain ivusa umuntu yabo uthola baba bathi yema ungazolala la wow shanga impama ungazolala wow bothi uma sikhemika lamafumani ukuthi senza anke mangabe ulele athi lethi 17 lethi 14 uyayibamba futhi nakushaya ngayo ukushayisa about ngiyabanda yazi next time uzobheka ulethi 14 melethi 17 usazi ipanela la wena usifundi ipanela usifundi soft obvious futhi letwa news namafundi no lethi 17 sefonini thatha into yakho stress uba ulome emshangisando lo azovuka masebenzi big ifoni phansi ngoba ifocus ayisabi khona moreover kunamafoni sibalimaza amalamaphone la asibuye senza abantwana baluze concentration espena ayisabi khona ngoba kusakhona concentrating
kakhulu so mawuthola umntana mhlambe let's say the age of 10 is there still any discipline you can instill or so moshila wakayiko
angithi umntwana kumele understand khona stage lapho kumele abe umntwana oku street khona stage lapho kumele abi before my friend actually my friend go masakana bo 21 ngali my friend mara between
so uzokwazi ukumisa ukuthi hawu bathu umtoto
ngiyahleka 1 and 9 uba umntwana uba strict kuyo the 9 nabo teenage stage uyamguide uyamonitor uyamonitor so we strict to fakile instillile order ukuthi ngo4 wena ngo6 mlanga shwana usendlini uyazi intwana 5 masana 13 sengini so uyamguide akethu impilo kusona 13 teenage until abana 19 itini stimai kuma sana 20 kumele abe free
sure
buda ke mele mabe kankawuzi idadu nkawuzana mabe ufuna ukawuza mtshela ijo anything ufungenza senza sithi ungangqini
sure
ngiyafuna ukawuza igada sonkawuza
angayifunda
estrati mara ke mamtshela ke igada sigenya utshwala iflop into iflop ngibonisa obviously lo musa ibra yakho uhamba nayo yonke uma ubra yakho uhamba nayo ukuya nayo emantshwaleni awungeni awuphuzi obvious ngoba into ebalekile emntwaneni understand abantwana benzi into bathi baye bayizenza and then leyo deep ngani iyakuspana ngama energies ngoba even if umntana ngakuboni lento enza umnyameni uzoyifila mawungena endlini ngaleyo energy leyo udathi abathi umfundisi akazali umfundisi ebusweni bemali wenza ezinye izinto emakhonini
makhosi yo
time that's why yenza idea ukuthi umfundisi akazali umfundisi
power of energy
so power of energy understand manga umuntu uzoba into yiyo definitely uyifeel the energy amthelela yona ngoba ngeke uyihide energy ngafihla yonke into ngeke uyihide energy that's why kunama body gestures angafihliki ngoba umuntu ombheke ku street ngeke ayifihla ngoba energy
so wena boyenzeni ukuthi bakho kubambe ngesicimo nemofika ku-20 beka phone awusathukile awusixoxele lapha
hayi ithama ngithi bangibamba ifoni ngibamba ifoni ngene ngibamba ifoni ngithi yeah hello wow sometimes mangizwa ukuthi yeah wethu yabo ngikhuluma isigqoko yebo wow uzokhuluma manje telefoni uzoma awuthathi awukawubali ukhuluma nokhuluma isigqoko ngithi mina ngikhuluma isigqoko bathi awubali kuma nginasibhekisa ngisikhumule ngeke okay le out bengiyasa ngakhona ukuthi bengiyikhuluma bengibamba attention bekuzenzakalelwa ngiphikisa igama leli out wow uphikisa kanjani
ngoba kubambe between 1 and 7
1 and 7 no bengakuthi neliyani timer and mina kube it's easy ukuthi time endlini ulazi time lesistratini ngoba ukuthi lesistratini bona leya
sure
noma uzipulile sendlini usizwe azolile lesistratini hence bathi the way umuntu behave ngakhona it says more about yena than it says about lo muntu behave kuyena like out disrespect to mama lapha it says more about yena it tells us ukuthi sani akuleni show layo umama kade ngenananekile ebusuku so sitshele umama ukuthi phuma the way behave ngakhona no the way pendula time ngakhona it tells ukuthi show time mhlawumbe ngekho time lapha isifo time lishayindini time understand so ngifuna ukuthi ukwazi time is important ngoba yonke into ejardini
sure
ibuyela yonke into ibuyela ispiral back to one ibuyela la siqale khona
Jill Scott
one is the magic now so ngoba yonke into iqale kuwa sonke siwa yonke ispiral back to one bathi ama revolution bathi bangama revolutionist ama revolutionary this is a revolutionary house but I understand what is revolution
revolution
revolt understand
yes
mabathi like imoto mabathi i-rev count ama revs engine how many revs per minute does this engine need mabathi 1000 imoto maybe kuna 900 revs per minute below 1000 uyayibona speedometer spali 1000 times okay one times 10 to the power 3 rpm kusho 1000 revs per minute
sure
and so i-revolution le and so umuntu makathi i-revolutionist it's a full revolution starting from this point coming to this
connect
point.
Again
It takes to back to a full revolution is alpha and omega. Back in my eating is color is pet. Back in little is pet. And the beginning and the end, which is the second line of beginning and
end. I need to say Zion. Goodness cook. But njengoba bosho izolo ukuthi you grew up in a little Illuminati but bebangazi ukuthi ama Illuminati
usuthi abheka yabo la kukhulu Illuminati
sure
and so masikhuluma ngesekile it's i-revolution masisa revolt sibuyela back to la siqale khona which is ukhozi lapho abantu bafika sithola khona basihlakaza so basithola kuphila ukhozi masikhuluma ngokhozi sikhuluma ngento ediko you understand ukhozi is about ukukhosela ukhozi is a responsibility. It's not a gift.
Sure.
Like lento ukuthwasa intwaso lento umgoma sinokuthi hayi mina ngine gift yami isipho sami ukuthi ngilaphe so it's a gift, responsibility.
So wazamkhulu.
Ngoba immediately sigayele igama ukuthi gift sesiyenza sengifuna ukubenefita from you.
Makhosi.
Ufuna ukuthi ubenefita like.
Makhosi, yazi ukhosi khali uthe the other time. Uthe if you're a healer and you are still not advocating or in your spiritual practice for the healing and restoration and the oneness of black people, then usadlala.
Understand? Ngoba irresponsibility ukubuyisela umuntu omnyama esitulweni sakhe. Ngoba right now unyakanyaka impilo. Well isikhathi sona isikhathi udaka buye endaweni yakhe. Ngokuyithi ukuthi thina sobuyela iyosithola si position right or si position ngoba it's all about positioning yourself. Understand? Ufuna ukuthi ukubuyela ku revolution, full revolution ukuthi sibuyele ukhosini la belungu basithola isikhona. Ukhosi umuntu okhoselayo. Irresponsibility, understand, which to protect people. Yeah, ukuthi nobukhosi ukwazi ukuthi abaha. Remember, thina sinesisho sithi isisu somhambi singangenso yenyoni. Remember, there's more than enough. We are operating from abundance. It's umuntu who's operating from lack. Iloko lokuzongiqedela. And simple is not umuntu lead you. Abantu abasent to lead, abantu abasent to send us to include when abantu abasiza abundance. Because of even Africa is not the size of Sky. You must understand South Africa is size of South Africa Makia, is size of America yonke.
Awusibambeli economics lapho mokhuluma ngeabundance and shortage.
Since umhlaba ukubelungu, since umhlaba ekahle umhlaba uphethe uqoqwa belungu mara yonke into yethu. Amandla onke akubodala. Kuba sihlukanise.
How do you say it's in economics? It's the study of shortage.
Study of shortage, study of lack.
An implementation of lack.
So
babathi yes silwela economy as benefit. Baba hambe.
Silwela lack. Understand? Ibadlela ngamagama labantu. Understand? Understand igama lishukuthini. Economy sifuna ukuphakamisa economy ufuna ukuphakamisa lack. Of which there's no lack. Lack does not there's enough rain. there's enough land, there's enough plantation. Don't abelungu bafike la bathola amanzi bavala imfula bafuthengisela amanzi. Bathola iland ikhehle basiphushela on side basiphinyekisa basithengise iland etshontshe phela no buying land or buying stolen property, you understand? Mara yonke into leni yosolve yini solve ubukhosi. Ubukhosi gogi ibuyela la ubukhosi buyela ikhosi bamba ngesibongo. It's important ukuthi kunobukhosi bakamlaba obheka abantu bakamlaba bonke ukuthi akho umuntu okamlaba osejela akho umuntu omlaba olelalambili akho umuntu okamlaba oyi-prostitute somewhere there akho umuntu okamlaba, you understand? That should apply to uZwane, uKhumalo, uZikode, you name them, Mkwena, you name them. Wonke umuntu mabhe ubukhosi ba, you understand?
Makhosi
Nguphe ubukhosi ngokwenza sure ukuthi akho umuntu wesibongo sakho lambili ngoba ingane zishada ingane zihamba ngamafamily malandele umnotho wonke uphethwa amafamily uphethwa ngomuntu
makhosi
child is a child family Oppenheimer family Oppenheimer owner onke ama-minus Africa nge-family baze ngigame ngaphila namandi like amandi just now ukuthi like uzothola lezi ezilaphana elenze yabo ukuthi dadas understand ukuthi abheka ama-hardware onke yabo ukuthi zonke nje osithenga ama-hardware imali esingisa la ba-owner bakusho ama-hardware i-lens yona bakusho ba-owner ama-hardware i-Gauteng yona wonke umuntu wakhile wakhe nezishare babamba i-piece of ishare yale cake ngokwakhe, understand? Bazokuthola omunye uphethe like la N1 kusuka la kuyakhuphuka kuyaphezulu N1 kuya le Pitori kuya le Messina kuhamba ama-first for help breakdown yakhona ngeke ungene ngebreakdown yakho mangafika uyarada price out umspanel uyazi lo ukuthi le strat sonke lesi party ishare labo same N1 khona umuntu amagaraje onke N1 ingamliwa ukusuka eCape Town ngePitori amagaraje ingamliwa uneshow ukuthi unepiece iland yakhe thina kodwa yakhe ufuba nama-taxi 1 ifamily C7 usilambise thina uthwale ngathi usiqindile
thwale ngathi
onkidozi mfethu wenza ibhokisi emabhora kuyaphela, understand? Ingane zibambela ngezefamily noma ungaye ehlathini ilwane ezingela individual azina ama chances okubamba njengilwane ezingela impact lezi ngela individual noma seyibambile banokuyithathela akumale phatha ubachitha ithi mase ibambile ifika ama-hyena i3 ayibhathu ibhokisi noma li1 ifika ama-hyena i17 ayibhathu ungeke uhanthi uyi1 mele uhambe as a pack and so la basiqhaqa kubukhosi and lento kuluza ubukhosi lento ukuthi igift yami lento ukuthi silo ya, understand? Imile sa ukuthi ne-economy yefamily there's no way ukuthi nangashontsha idlozi fuba rich
yeah,
understand? There's no way ukuthi ngayophambanisa izinto for wena fuba rich, understand? There's nothing yamune-spicy one for family, understand? Wonke umuntu usifanele la sinale family siyazi ukuthi siyifamily yala kabodilo ngama-fates or kamsimanga kule family esikuyo no mhlawumbe si-owner ama-drone onke enzelwa South Africa enziwa yini, understand? Akho ukuthi mina angikeli sokuyimi mangipake ngeviyana mina ngitatazelele sokhona lena kabamncane engasipani
but kudeyo rich kude abafamily lawa abafamily member la rich bese kude laba bazoyenza isikole laba
khona bashayisa isikole khona bashayisa ibhodlela, understand? I-distribution qala khona idladlile i-out engasipani ayinasi
makhosi
lesipanayo itazimeka ukuthi idomu kangakanani inesi and into ebuhlungu ngengqondo gogine into ebuhlungu ingqondo iwa ingqondo ngeke uyi-inherit as inheritance kababa, understand? Ubaba uthi amakhamba uyi-inherit ingqondo ingqondo ngeke uyithwalela uthwale ube nengqondo uthi uthwala ayikho ungathwala ube namamiliyoni mali ngeke uthwala ube nengqondo
sure
akho umuntu ongajova umuntu ngawo ugabhisa umuntu ukuthi ube nengqondo ingqondo yesibamba inkunzi sibamba ikati iswisa ikati lapha sibe nengqondo, understand? Ingqondo ngeke ukuthi usebenza for 40 years uthola ama-big P ube nengqondo and so imali yakwenza lokho uma singayibamba inkunzi ibe khona imali, understand? Imali ungayi-inherita omkhulu, understand? And so it's easy kuba nemali la kuba nengqondo understand la yini, understand?
hayi wayiqaqa
It's easy kuba nemali la kuba nengqondo and moreover kunesikhathi esiphila kuso yonke into belungu bashayile, understand? Concern ngemali abantu abanandaba nothando abantu don't care ukuthi nothando ungakanani bafuna imali abantu abanandaba ukuthi neqiniso ungakanani bafuna ube nemali abantu abanandaba uhlonipha kangakanani uhlonipha kwakwenzani afake ibhodlela ungazitshela lento
fake ibhodlela
or now ukushoniwe la uhlonipha kwakwenzani kumele ufake imali sithengele box leli lithengiswa amajoni namajuda so isayo enrich amajuda still akho ukuthi nenkomo zethu sihlebe inkomo sathi sikhulu siwanze shona sibeke umuntu kumele la insurance onke insurance company onke ama-holad wantwana yima khona ijuda elazi ukuthi thina siphethe iholad sine piece of cake kule iholad labo dati bafida thina no khona ipiece of khona ijuda lokwakhe block of flats laphana leyakuthi la bafuna aba-graduate bathanda ukuthi bashiye amagogo baba behlala bodwa uzoza lona uzobhadala ama-10,000
eforumini ushiye iforum elikhulu ubhadela iforum
encane lapha nethana
phela ama-2 bedroom ama-4room kahle guys
mnet sizoyibiza nge-townhouse not understanding ukuthi ingamba makathi ingamba ine-townhouse ingamba ine-country house une-holding house une-townhouse
izintsha
uyethi makane-townhouse akanayo for ukuthi uhlala uyadanga ukuthi makasipane ejozi yena ukuyohlala ekhountrini
or unosofa ejozi
unosofa ejozi lala kule ndlu yakhe wena sowenza ukuthi indlu yakho uyi-success ubona ku-achievement and that time uqindezela abantu la and bomela ngabe litshintsho oyitholayo ukuthi makuphela isipani kushuba bengabe ngabe yakuthatha niplan la nenze something nehante as a crew understand when ye ichithi isuka phe asinanto esiunite ukuthi baba useli baba uJoshtawa gogo yini baba niyadlo amadlozi sihlukane totoda ngeregion
khathaniswe kulapha
isilimelwa into esiunite yini idlo understand la ngama region ayenza ipurpose eliwani yenze ukuthi sibe vulnerable understand bakutshela ukuthi ndoda uyenza konke wena kumele uphile ku-script i-script is 12 years esikolweni 4 years varsity 40 years espanini 60 retirement uyothola i-reward yakhe ezulwini le 12 years uyofunda into egayo or married child kule 40 years uyosebenzela ama-married child ungabe uyimanager holad lama insurance company 40 years ukwenza sure ukuthi holad lama insurance company uthola imali ephelele after uyabhoda wenzanga next for family yakho and that time untwana yakho umeqale phansi ka-ana yokenza i-sub A yakho le degree yakho untwana yakho echubeka kabuyo ukuthi ufunda kwakho for 12 years kunotho untwana kumele ufunda kwakho uthina sihlala phansi kwa-A akho ukuthi ngiqhubeka phezu kwe-wealth accumulating like ubaba wayiney'nkomo eziyi-10 ngazalwa mina ngithe masingumkhulu inkomo eziyi-16 or besizi-26 kwangena intwana yami ithe masingumkhulu zaba yi-58 yabo umuntu uqhubeka phezu kwe-akhela phezu kwe-wealth understand okay kumanje le wealth yalephepha leli lingekho mhlawumbe-ke uzokhuluma ukuthi nifike la nine-bicycle shop umkhulu wayene-bicycle shop mara ukwazi ukuthi agcinisekeze ithama laba negaraji ithama likwazi ukugcinisela yakhe ihhotela elinama-units mhlawumbe 120 nomzukulu ufike sakayenza mhlawumbe i-chain yamahotela khona into esakha phezu kwayo akekho ude akwenzeka kini
mkhulu
mathapheke intwana zabantu bebama-onamashipa nani sikhulisa ukuthi lapha ingqubona nani ziyankaza amachuvu
ngifuna ukusho kanjalo
mathapheke ukusho umphando wakhe wonke lokade awenza unayo intwana
uthola abakhumalo bebanamashop kudala batwana babo bangena in and out edanyani bayababhema
ngoba into yethi isikathathu kusho ukuthi nayo yonke into ehluyinethwa yile idlozi ngani nekhosi ubukhosi akho ukuthi nentolo zikalo intolo zakasibongo saka isiso wonke umuntu uyakuthi imali yakhe ayifaka iya kulesa sikhwama isahola from lesa sikhwama lesana to make sure ukuthi akekho umuntu walesi khona ongasipani ingamba mara phela lokho ukuthi khona engasipani ingamba mara ile sifonela amasistakile yilena nokuyithumela ukuthi esana ngisakhona isicelo sathi imoto ukhiphuthe eMpitori ihleli khona siyithuma uthapeka ikhala zala endlini ziyavaleka ngayo mara yesipana kakhulu ejana
mara important family member wena udakhi bakuvalela ngaphandle
lena isipanayo phela banokuthi ungamvusi yavuka ekuseni yabo lekuthiwa esipana uvusa ngo-11 amakhompyutha sitakile bananga ukuthi ukufona amaningi kuphi awuvuki yobalanda kukubi awuvusa ngo-11 uvusa ngo-1 ekuseni uyabona ukuthi salena mara yile mawuvele uyabona ukuthi mani le yihlala ijamba kakhulu lezi thina siyavuka ngesipani maka kuyesipani besahla bathi kuyesipani ukhathele mhlawumbe ele-TV akasenzi next lesi sibekile namanje ngo-8 sayoyenza ezinye izinto mfitayina understand mangifuna ukuthi nayo le kumele ube ngalo ukuthi wonke umuntu yejardini unendlela enough unento enough ayitholayo ukumsustain mara ke at the same time imsustain ekutheni sonke sisebenzele impilo ewazi sisebenzele ejardini khona ngokuthi ngisebenzele ejardini You understand?
Basha bavenda kithi shumele ekhaya.
Shumela ekhaya. You understand? Right now ngokuhlakazile manje uyabheka lo individual bethu isenza ama-youth rich kuphela.
Kakhulu. Because even in the way we conduct business, ne, say ukuthi iyashap nama-tax or ne-checkers or in. Labantwana bamangami la khehla, kali school holidays, bayavaya bayosifana lapho.
You understand?
Wena Daki, umntana uthi ofuna i-Air Force, awuphasi leso skill. Mengenza i-back work, so I get a back work, I'm at 18, 19. Ngami lesifana ngo in that department, I think it was energy generation. Umntana ke asofethi le high school, but kali holiday watla reza test blocks yakayika ko Eskom. Ulapho. Next holiday bamfaka kwenye department. Thina siyenzi leyo.
Thina senzani ke? Thina senzani ke?
Consumers.
Thina senzani ke?
Mntana ufunani simupha leyo.
Sithenga ama-Nike Force ama-ticket 3000, sithenga ama-PlayStation, sithenga amafoni, sithenga yonke into. And sidaya into intsha yesitsho ukuthi wonke lama clean ayuthanda. Ngithi the only way to show uthando emntwaneni is to buy all of these. Understand? Umntwana that time akadingi uthando, akadingi izinto, udinga uthando. Uthanda kusidayiding. Definitely uthanda kusidayiding.
Makhosi.
Yathanda uthanda kusidayiding into ingane sifike zasithrowela yona. Bayithrowile. Yeah. And le picture ngoba nginokuthi mina abelungu basenze so basithatha basifaka ku-call room. Room yabandi ayisivuliwe mabagcwalisa iy'thombe zomlilo. Isithombe somlilo. Thina asikhohlwa sifudumele masibone iy'thombe. Kuyabanda mara. Le y'thombe ngoba ngicela iy'thombe. Uyona na-accept ukuthi kuyabanda Jensi. Le y'thombe azisebenzi. We wanna call this distraction i-success, i-progress. Uyabona nje ukuthi la ejardini intwana la ikasi intwana yabona ukuthi manhlaka nsuku iningi manje bayacule modimo ayide ngayo mathatha mara jo uyaline yourself, look at mathatha okuwe jo. That means modimo hayo hlala phansi uzibheke lo muntu kule ngoba semncwabeni jo simamela uyacula mina hayi ukuthi sisabhekana mara iqiniso wabo. Uyabona ukantona le ngitrans
wena wrong emncwabeni wena wrong
lo muntu uyacula modimo ayide and uncisa ngibhidla amatrans akabo uncisa amatrans mase solve
and
amathatha la inyosi kuyajomela ngenze ukuthi inyosi ekhipha amagate wakalisa ngabe igate ingekho endlini
ngoba nikho lonke
ngisemncwabeni ngiyacula imodimo ayide ngayo mathatha and you know ukuthi your life is mathatha. Yini wana lie to yourself ukuthi nangi izithombe zomlilo kusho ukuthi kuyashisa mara uyasithi ku cold room it's so cold into siya freezer mara ngoba belungu bagcwasa izithombe zomlilo ze-flame wow cela iy'thombe ze-flame si-convince ukuthi kuyashisa akushisi jo
ngiyasha yazi ngikhumbuzani yona bo hayi namathatha like how religion is structured ne that thing I understand manje khehla bo I'm nothing without you. Ifanele mina ngisicathulo
ubhiza esicindezela
I'm nothing without you.
Hence ngithi uthando ugaya intwana ivalo yabo uthando ugaya intwana ivalo lokuthi wena son wow uyenza into leyo, you understand? You understand, you are risking yourself mahamba kule direction awudingi ukuthi ngoba nokukhuza kuyakhathaza lokukhuza kakhulu kuyabhora mara ubhore ukukhuza intwana, you understand? Not just intwana ke but then ikaslo, you understand? Ngoba into enzothi ukuthi futhi phambi intwana ngamagift phambi intwana ngamagift mina 19 uzintwana yabhema yaze yadelela zange ngayithanda zange ngayidirection uzumuntu akathi lo mntwana ngimthela manje mangaphela 3 mi outro yakhe ayikho into engekho ucabanga ukuthi into lezi uthanda this baningi abo sisters bezibakhala sakhala lo mntwana ngimthela yonke into nisho still phela kade isende ikhona ngisobe uthenga yonke yayini athi amajuda yiva nathi amajuda ayithanda athi amajuda iqiniso, understand? Futhi akayi intwana iqiniso, understand? So ngifuna ukuthi wena kuyi-one ngiyakwena leyo gift ukuthi mhlawumbe wena liqiniso mara khona ankele straight edladlini engakhona ukugayida zonke le ntwana iyi-one khona amanye
the importance of family members,
the importance of ubukhulu
angishayele it's important ngiyachaza it's important ukuthi mowisha ukuthi it's important wena
kahle everything is important.
It's important.
It's important, exactly.
So cool.
Ngifuna ukuthi yonke into ibuya la singakhohliswa ingane and ayikho right now umuntu omnyama akanankosi ngoba nenkosi ekhona wena if nenkosi ebheke angazi ibhekini mara isinkosi izofosiya ukuthi nakuphi ngoba inkosi phela masinenkosi akazwani ifosiya ukuthi makudubule intwana akazwani kusuka abantu bakazwane bayoforsiya ukuthi bayobheka ukuthi kwenzakale kanjani.
Thokoza mkhulu.
Uma ngabe umuntu akakhumalo udubula intwana yakazwane. Inkosi yakazwane ekhashana izinkosi yakakhumalo nawo umntana esekadubula intwana yethu. What do we do? Understand? Isolve la lina ngepeace. Ungabi khona izimo. But right now ukuthi abantu bayadubulana kuzinegodi. Uthi akho umuntu okhuzayo chance. Uzibathi bakudubula iwashisa indlu lapha. Akho umuntu ozobiza ibithi. Chance akho umuntu osikhuzayo. Phela kumele khuzwe Joe siphila manga thina. Understand? Kumele khuzwe into ebhayensi.
Sibona futhi ngale season yenu kaSet. I'm sure azoqala ama taxi what.
Understand? Ukukhuzana kanjani manje makunokhosi yakwazi.
Ilo abogogo basishiyele iblueprint wena khehle.
Bashiyele iblueprint.
Like nalokubuzana ukuthi wakwabani. You know, it means ukuthi it's important.
It's important ukuthi wongabani. Ngiyangizwisisa. And so iblueprint ikona kufuneka is-right scientist for solve inkinga zabogogo.
Thokoza mkhulu.
Asifuni umuntu oyikenza wonke lamasanga ngevesi university ayinengqondo yonke. Konke ngimamele grade. Ivesi university ayina solution for us.
Says a graduate, ne? Yeah.
As I was saying, he is a graduate. Let's catch more of Mkhulu Mlaba on the next episode in part 2. Thanks for watching.